I have my mom back with us to talk about those Callaways, Diane Hunter, and we are always telling everybody that they need to go to the website because those Callaways, they can really be the perfect people to help buy or sell your home. But I know you do have
I do, and the website is great. If they don't want this house, there's lots more.
Exactly.
This is a wonderful house, again in Scottsdale, and it's situated on over a ½ acre lot.
Oh, that's great.
It is 6624 East Corrine Drive. It's a great home with Southwestern flair. It has desert landscaping, 5 bedrooms.
Oh, wow.
4 baths, and over 4,000 square feet of living area. Nice,
that's
huh?
great, yeah.
It has a beautiful, spacious living room with beam ceilings and a fireplace. And actually, the home has 3 fireplaces throughout. So if you like fireplaces, this is a great home for you. The formal dining room has Saltillo tile, as it does the wonderful eat-in kitchen. And naturally, the kitchen has all the fantastic appliance packages that you could ever desire. So, and the family room also really is nice. It has a bar in it, and very nice for every family. This home even has 2 master bedrooms.
Oh,
Not
very
one,
cool.
2, with separate bedroom. One of them has a separate bedroom exit, and of course they both have lovely master baths. Then you go outside to the inviting patio with fenced-in diving pool, which is great if you have children to have that fence. And something that is hard to find, 2 RV gates with RV parking, and the home even has horse privileges.
Oh, perfect. For how much?
$799,900.
That is a steal.
It is.
All right, people need to check it out. Thanks.
Thanks.